how to save up to 70% on garden items. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this channel we talk about ways to save money, gardening, and other special events like Valentine's Day and Christmas. So today we're gonna be talking about ways to save money in on garden items. So it's in most areas now is winter, so um, you can get a lot of great garden items at a discount in most stores. Like over here, you can check your local Walmart, you can check Home Depots and Lowe's. You can save a lot of money on garden items because the season is over and they're trying to get rid of the um, inventory that they have from last year. So you can get a lot of stuff at the discount right now. So here I have a lot of gardening items over here that are like 30 to 50% off, and some of them are even up to 70% off. So you're gonna save a lot of money. You're gonna buy these things in the gardening season, so why not get it now, so that way you're saving yourself money. So here you have spray heads that you can use for your garden, watering systems. All of these have been the prices have dropped, so it's now the best time. Now is the best time to get it if you intend to get some gardening stuff, or if you intend to replace some of the stuff you have. These right here, I had mine. I bought mine last year, and it was about about $10. Right now it's going for about $2 or $3. So you save a lot of money if you get them off season. That there's a lot of different things here. We have other gardening stuff, like fertilizers and stuff that also they're marked down. The prices have been lowered, so you can get a lot of your fertilizers and organic gardening fertilizers here at a lower rate. The prices have all been slashed, so now is a good time to get it. I'll say check online too. There are a couple of places online that you might be able to get them at a discount, because they're also trying to get rid of it. So I'll say check other online sites, even if it's same companies or same stores like Walmart, Target, Home Depot, Lowe's, and others retail hardware stores that you might be able to get it. I'll see if I can find links to some of them. I'll put them in the below, so just check below. If I find any links, I'll put them below, but you can just go to the stores and just check and see what they have. You might be able to see some great things that they have at a reduced price that's gonna save you money. If you're gonna buy them, you better buy them now, so that way you can save money. And guess what? You don't have to buy them at full price in a couple of months when the season starts. Here you have Roadstone organic fertilizers, like half the price. Garden Tone, they're all prices have been slashed. Over here right now, this is Home Depot, and this item is like 70% off pots and stuff like that. So in some stores you might be able to get it. Like over here you have this herb leafy green. This is almost 70% off the price. So you might be able to see it in some stores. It might still be available in some stores. They might be all sold out. So I'll just say just check your local store and see what they have. You might be able to get some of these at the prices. If they don't have it, I'll say check online. You still might be able to get some of these online. But this is a great way to save money, and you'll be able to maintain your garden or your lawn at least reduce cost and save money. So the goal is to save money. So this is what I got today. So I got garden tone for trees, and I got a couple of organic fertilizers for garden that I'm gonna use for the when I'm making my potting mix and for gardening. So at least I saved about $15 or $16. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Share with friends and families, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.